Hello, and welcome to this guide on how to build muscle at home without equipment. If you're looking to get stronger and fitter but don't have access to gym equipment, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you simple and effective bodyweight exercises that you can do in the comfort of your own home. Let's get started. Before we dive into the exercises, let's understand the basics of muscle growth. When we work out, we create tiny tears in our muscles. As these tears heal, the muscles grow back stronger and larger. This process is called muscle hypertrophy, and it's the key to building muscle. See real muscle gains. We need to challenge our muscles over time. This is called progressive overload. It simply means making your workouts harder by increasing the reps, sets, or intensity of your exercises. Don't worry, you don't need equipment for that. Now let's move on to the exercises. First, let's start with push-ups. Push-ups are a great way to build your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Keep your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart, lower yourself to the ground, and push back up. Next, we have squats. Squats target your legs and glutes. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and lower your body as if you're sitting back into a chair. Keep your chest up and your knees behind your toes. Another great exercise is lunges. Step forward with one leg, bend your knees, and lower your body. Then push back to the starting position. Lunges help build strength in your legs and glutes. Let's not forget about the core. Planks are an excellent way to strengthen your abs and back. Start in a forearm plank position and hold for as long as you can. Keep your body in a straight line. Now that we've covered the exercises, let's talk about nutrition. To build muscle, you need to fuel your body with the right nutrients. Protein is essential because it helps repair and grow your muscles. Make sure to include protein-rich foods in your diet, like eggs, chicken, tofu, and lentils. Don't forget about carbohydrates and fats. Carbs provide energy for your workouts, and healthy fats support hormone production. So, eat a balanced diet to support your muscle-building goals. Rest and recovery are just as important as the exercises themselves. Your muscles grow when you're resting, not when you're working out. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night, and give yourself at least 1 or 2 rest days per week. So, there you have it. Bodyweight exercises, proper nutrition, and rest are the keys to building muscle at home without equipment. Stay consistent, keep challenging yourself, and remember, results take time, but with dedication, you will get stronger and fitter. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay fit and healthy.